Oh hey, yeah, didn't see you there. Just having a quick brew. About to go work on some cars, for once. I've got quite a cool, in this box, fancy things. So these bad boys, they are RCAs for the ae86, so roll centre adjusters. They basically go on the bottom of your strut, and it realigns all the arms back down on an angle, because as you lower the car they will come up. So that hopefully will sort a bit of bump steer. I've got a bit of bump steer if I come out of the corner. So I'm hoping that these will help that.
Right now, he's probably slow dancing with a bleach blonde tramp, and she's probably getting thirsty. Right now, he's probably buying her some fruity little drink, cause she can't shoot whiskey. Right now, he's probably up behind her with a pool stick, showing her how to shoot a combo. And he don't know. Singing some white trash version of Shania karaoke. Right now, she's probably saying I'm drunk, and he's thinking that he's gonna get lucky. Right now, he's probably dabbing on $3 worth of that bathroom polo. Oh, and he don't know. My key into the side of this pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive.
After another successful day in the shed, got a brew. Yeah, ready to go to bed now. Yeah, got the RCAs in the car. Managed to sneak that in today. Pretty easy to put in, full bolts, did them up nice and tight. And yeah, it's actually helped heaps with the bump steer sort of issues that I had. I had it quite bad coming out of roundabouts, it would dart around a bit, so there's no more sort of jitteriness in the steering. It used to get quite bad feedback. I got another railway crossing to bounce around. Doesn't do that currently, so that's a win on that. You have to stay posted because I've actually got some other bits coming for the front suspension as well. Which I'll do a video on. I should make it look a bit cooler. Functionally they'll help as well. So yeah, that should be next time.